Pragyan Kids channel. It's me, Prana.
And it's me, Gyan.
So you remember that we unboxed that science kit that day, right?
Yes.
So this is our first experiment and it is called
Fizzy Rainbow.
So let's begin. So let me refer to the instruction manual. You will need citric acid, baking soda, 5 cups, 3 food colorings, and a beaker, spoon, stirring stick, and a cup with water. So first we're gonna take all the 5 cups, arrange it, and then take 50 ml of water in the beaker and pour 50 ml in each cup. This should have 50 ml, 50 ml like that for each cup. I have done that already. And then you take the spoon, take 1 spoon of citric acid, like exactly 1 spoon, and just put it in each cup and nicely stir it. I have done it till that step, and now let's continue together. So now I'm gonna make a rainbow, right? So the first 5 colors of the rainbows is red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So first let me take the red food color, and I'm just gonna add a few drops. Okay. And how do we make orange? What colors do we mix to get orange? Red, yellow. So the second cup's gonna be orange. So I'm gonna add red food coloring and yellow food coloring. The next will be yellow, so let's just add yellow. Next is green. So for green we need yellow and blue. So I'm gonna add yellow, and now I'm adding blue. The next is blue. So yeah. Now Gyanvika will mix it. Mix it. Two more blue. It doesn't look that dark. Okay, mix it. Okay, now mix the next one. Yeah, don't mix too much. So see, we got green color when we mixed blue and yellow. So the next ones, we just in case we don't want it to mix, we can use the other side to stir it up. So we mixed orange, and I will mix red, please. And yeah, red looks so light, it looks like pink. Okay, now mix it. So guys, I've completed all the mixing. So now is the fun part. We're gonna open baking soda. Let me open it here just in case it doesn't spill. So we're gonna take exactly 1 spoon. You're gonna mix it? You're too scared. Okay. We're gonna take one. You're gonna mix it?
But I'm going to make it like this.
Okay, so I'm gonna add it in cup 1. Okay, so that's the fizzing. I think we don't even have to mix it. Let's add for cup 2, cup 3, cup 4, and cup 5. Wow, guys.
It's fine now.
We'll add a little more. I can hear this weird sound when it fizzes. Looks so cool. The science behind this experiment is when citric acid, baking soda, and water mixes together, it emits carbon dioxide gas, which emits off in the form of bubbles, and that's why it fizzes off. So I think that's it for today. Bye guys!
Bye!